Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth analysis and reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best portable fire pit stainless steel you can get right now, the 22-inch portable fire pit by Turkane. If you're into camping, barbecuing, or just hanging out in the backyard, stay with us for the next 5 minutes because this might be your new favorite outdoor companion. Let's kick things off with portability, because that's where this fire pit really shines. When it comes to outdoor gear, compactness and ease of transport matter. This fire pit collapses down to a package size of just 13 by 4.3 inches. That's right, it fits easily into the included carrying bag, and you can tuck it into your backpack, car trunk, or even a bicycle basket. Whether you're heading out for a trek in the woods, a beachside evening, or just a quick barbecue at the park, this fire pit makes the journey effortless. Now, let's talk build quality. The Turkane fire pit is made from durable stainless steel. That means it's not just rust resistant, but also heat resistant, scratch resistant, and corrosion resistant. It's designed to withstand high temperatures without deforming, giving you a reliable fire source wherever you go. Plus, that polished finish adds a sleek look while being tough enough for regular use. But don't let the portable size fool you. This fire pit has been upgraded with a much larger capacity than its peers. At 22 by 22 by 17 inches, it's significantly more spacious than traditional portable models. You're getting a full-sized fire experience in a lightweight body, and by lightweight, we mean just about 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds. Despite the low weight, it can handle up to 26 pounds of wood or charcoal, making it perfect for group gatherings or long sessions by the fire. Installation is another major win. No tools needed. Just snap the legs into the stainless steel support frame and you're good to go in seconds. It's intuitive, beginner-friendly, and great for anyone who doesn't want to spend time messing with complicated parts when the goal is relaxation. After you're done, cleaning is equally simple. Let the fire burn out, douse with soil or water, and dump the ash. No mess, no stress. Where this fire pit really becomes a crowd favorite is in its versatility. It's not just for camping, it's equally suited for garden use, beach bonfires, picnics, fishing trips, or even a chilly evening on the patio. It's lightweight enough for solo adventurers but large enough to keep a group warm and well-fed. The mesh design allows for good air circulation, helping your fire burn evenly and efficiently. Because it sits off the ground and contains the fire in a mesh bed, it minimizes the impact on the surface below, leaving no scorch marks or residue. It's a responsible way to enjoy fire in natural spaces without damaging the environment. So if you're someone who loves the outdoors but hates lugging around heavy gear, the 22-inch portable fire pit by Turkane is a no-brainer. It's light, it's strong, it's simple to use, and it delivers a full-scale fire experience wherever you are. Whether you're grilling burgers or just watching the flames dance, this is one fire pit that lives up to the hype. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you liked this review, don't forget to subscribe for more expert insights on top-rated products. Let us know in the comments where you'd take this fire pit first, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.